Well, I was dared to drink this whole bottle of soda. So, here I go. Ooh. Maybe drinking that whole bottle of soda wasn't such a good idea. Oh, I think I have to burp. Oh, and to the people watching, the next scene may contain gross sounds, which will be a lot of burping. If you don't like to hear burping, then click off the video. I don't want to gross you out. Well, here they come now. Whoa, that was a huge one. Oh, I feel more burps coming. True, these burps are just added today. Oh my. Phew. That was sure a lot of burping.